También poco.
Okay, so that's Alejandro. This is his song. And so we're going to go group by group, and you guys are going to tell us what you guys did. So, Melissa.
Oh
No,
my God.
leave it playing. It's your background music. It's on repeat.
Am I presenting you? You're the camera.
Yeah, the camera.
All we did was we started with 2 rubber bands to see how long would it be at regular, which is 17 centimeters. And we decided for each one we would move it 10. So in the end it would be 27.5 centimeters, and the tension for it was 250. And then for 3 it was at 27, then 37. 3 rubber bands. So 3 rubber bands at 27, then the end length was 37 and 225. And as we noticed as we moved up, that the tension would lower down each time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, you actually, okay, that was good.
Yeah, and
your turn.
Alright. So what we did, we tested the weight of the ball. So we tested the ball with and without a weight. So the ball originally is 55.68 grams, and when we added the weight, it's 99.95. And we tested that when you add the weight, the ball drops down lower than without the weight.
How much weight did you add?
We added 100 grams to it. So it went from 55.68 to 99.95.
Okay. And how would that influence the funability of the ride?
I'm guessing if you added more weight, I guess it would further go, I guess.
wait, it's a group?
Yeah.
Kevin, help him out. If you added more weight to whatever,
it went lower.
so would it be more?
How would that influence?
It would go more lower on the ride?
It'll go faster.
Oh, it would go
I
faster.
think it would go faster if we added more weight.
It goes down faster. So
I'm guessing if it was on a reg.
So it'd be like if it were on Goliath?
You'd kill him.
What?
If it were on Goliath.
Goliath and for a bungee cord.
if it's like
You'd have to use like the people that jump off.
bungee jumping, the
like
more
bungee
it weighs,
jumping.
the more you go down.
Wait,
But if it's like a ride, like something else,
It
then
doesn't work.
it doesn't apply to it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like a roller coaster.
Yeah. And those are.
I'm trying to turn this off and it won't. Okay.
It's mine. It's my ringtone. It's amazing, right? It was like for 3 minutes.
Okay, now it's Kathy's turn.
Kathy, Laura.
So what you guys do?
So what we did was that we measured
Laura, this is just going on a PowerPoint.
the length of the rubber band. So for 2 rubber bands we started at 2, and then we did 3, and then we did 4, and then 5. And so for 2, it was a certain length and stuff. And so then we measured how far it would go down once we like had it up. We let it go, and so it would like go down. So each rubber band was approximately 9 inches because they were all at 9-inch intervals.
And also we did every time like we did 2, we did 3 trials, and then we took the average of them. So I think what would influence it on the ride?
For the length.
Wouldn't it take longer though?
Yeah, the length would make it take longer to like actually come back up, like bounce back, you know, like it'll go down because it has a lot of like slack.
Wait, is this the length of what? The length of...
I know, that's what I was asking.
Yeah.
Because in ours, it would kind of use both length and tension, and the shorter you use, it was like more tension.
Yeah,
That's why.
yeah, I'm saying that's why the more.
So yeah.
So the less,
Especially with the length.
so it'd be less, it'd be better than more?
It depends. It has to be like in the middle because if it was too less, then it's not enough to make it
Go down far, or go back.
And so if it was too much, then it's not enough to
Go up.
Yeah, to make it exciting. So it has to be like somewhere in the middle.
And you never explain how the funability of your thingy would... Yeah.
Oh, that's Melissa. That's a fun person.
How would the funability of the ride be affected with your...
The tension?
The
Yeah.
tension and the length, because like they said.
Well, yeah, if you have longer length, then you have less tension. So if you want to go faster, you need more tension. So you need less rubber band.
Okay.
That's it.
And is there anything else we have to do?
What about your guys' Mom? What you guys?
I'm on your team.
Yes, your mom. So, how was your experiment?
You Natalie? Protection program.
Exactly.
He murdered like 20 people, like 20
So
years.
you can just film the back of my head, but we did human error.
Wait, dude. We got quicks over here. Ramon, please. Let's just put a PowerPoint.
We did human error and walk with me. So we can't really test it until we get everybody's data together because you know we can't test it until we get everyone's data together because human error is a natural thing. So yeah.
So it was the fundamental.
So how would that increase the funability of the ride? It would be the unpredictable, like the unpredictableness. Because human error could mean that you're on the ride and all of a sudden your little cart flings off the ride and you die. So just that whole little...
Wait, a cart? Why would it be a cart?
If it's a roller coaster.
Yeah.
But it's a bungee.
It's a bungee.
Oh, it's a bungee? Oh.
That's why I say you can't use roller coasters.
Since when have we been doing bungees?
Since...
That's the whole point of this project.
That's why it's called bungee egg.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's what we
Imagine if from Disneyland are in development for a new bungee riding California adventure.
Well, I just thought of Disneyland and I thought, okay. Well, it would increase the unpredictableness of the bungee jump because, like, you could be jumping down and, like, it snaps.
Thanks.
You die.
How is somebody jumping down?
Because it's a bungee thingy.
But jumping down?
But, like,
They go on
here, we'll show an example. Laura, please stand on the table and
bungeeing
jump off.
down. So, like, you're, like, bungeeing down and then, like due to human error, you can, like,
Die.
like, one can snap and you can die, is what I'm saying.
So that would be a human error?
Yeah.
What other factors would be the cause of human error?
I don't know, Laura, you tell me.
No. The weight of the person. If you're too skinny, you're not.
Exactly. If it's a 500-pound gorilla, there's like a 1 in 100 the thingy would snap and you die. If you're skinny and you're like 80 pounds, then you're gonna survive. Well, actually no, because you could like fly off. So a perfect weight would be like 130 to 180.
130 to 180?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, this is my video. Leave me alone. So, Miss, what are your observations about our class so far?
One of your questions? I observed that you guys are discussing some really great stuff for small moments, and then you're cracking up and not getting that much time, and you have a lot to discuss.
Anything else? Okay. She still has her profile open. Log on. I don't know.
Hey, Ramon.
She's cool.
Ramon, if you were in her position, would you hire us?
I would, because
Yeah.
we know what we're talking about, but we also know how to have fun.
Singing songs.
Unlike
on iPod.
period 3, these suck. Well, Asians. I know they are. There's like 5 Asians in their class.
Shouldn't